Hello, welcome to the Cuistot Studio. Today is Friday and this is the Couscous day. As you know, probably for example, in Morocco, we eat the couscous on Friday, and I decided today to show you a bit how it's going. We have to prepare a couscous. We have, of course, the couscous which come extra from Morocco. Then I will use today lamb meat. It's a lamb shoulder, which I will use today to make the couscous, to make the bouillon. And in the bouillon, we have different type of vegetable. We will have, of course, carrot. We have onions. We have courgette. We have tulip, and then we have some biber as well. We will put pois chiche. The most important for the couscous is to work with the hand the couscous. It must be very thin, as you can see. We have to cook the couscous about 3 times. First of all, as you can see, we just put on the cold water. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's very hot, and I have to separate all the pieces by one. After that, we will put the couscous. We will put some olive oil. I will put the meat, and I will put some water. We will use some spice. This spice is coming from Morocco. There are different kind of spice mixed together. Unfortunately, you cannot smell, but I can tell you it's a very intensive smell. I will put also some coriander in it. And then we will add the water after on the meat, and we will put the couscous on this type of, don't know how you call, but you know, it has some hole, and we will put on the top of the casserole. To make the couscous, then after the steam will pass through the casserole, and then soon as the steam pass, I will put again in this form. And I will work again with my hand. I will do that on 3 times, also with a bit salty water. And after the last moment, I will put some butter on it, and I will work again with my hand like that, and put some butter. So it's a very hard job, but you can be sure that after it's so delicious. We will show you the result a bit late on our YouTube channel, or you can see us also on our website www.le-cuistot.com. I am happy to see you, and have a good appetit. I'm waiting for you every Friday. We are doing couscous. Bye bye. Welcome back to our kitchen. As you see now, we are a bit in other steps in the process. Already I put the meat, and as I explained to you before, we put already the bouillon. I mean, it's cooking now. You can also see the meat it's in it, and also a part of the vegetable are in it. As we put already kabak, because it takes a bit more time to cook. And after we will add the other vegetable slowly. I work already 1 time with the couscous, and now I'm doing again. So this is the second part of the process, and then we will show you, of course, a bit the second process. As you see, I have also a second casserole. Now it's cooking, and when it will be ready, the final result I will show you later. See you later. Bye bye.